Hi, my name is Diane Taylor, and I'm the broker at Taylor Real Estate. And on August the 15th, this Saturday at 10:30, I'm inviting you to attend a free online first-time homebuyers webinar. It's entitled From Renting to Owning, Down Payment Assistance is Within Reach. It's going to be a great time to get your home buying questions answered. We're going to discuss the basics of home buying, such as the home buying process, the financing part of the process. That's going to include down payment. And by the time you finish, you should have a clear understanding of how to move forward with the purchase of your first home. Please don't miss out on this easygoing information packed session that will show you the beginning steps for purchasing a home right here in Sacramento. It's going to be 90 minutes of your time, and that's going to be 90 minutes of your time very well spent. Registration is easy. Just click on the QR code or the link. I look forward to seeing you Saturday, August the 15th at 10:30 a.m. Have a great week. Take care.